Hello, today's Wednesday. It's about 4:24 p.m. January 22nd, 2020. We're doing the sewer line to show the improvement of the new sewer that we have rehabilitated with Permaliner. In addition to that, we installed a clean out in front of the garage on the ground. You can see a sewer concrete box over there. Also, we did a installation of a Permaliner from that clean out back into the house about 15 feet to rehabilitate the 3-inch cast iron sewer pipe. In addition to that, I'll show the new connection for the relocation of the washer machine drain line. I'm gonna tell you when we get there, but we're gonna see what you're looking at right now is the main city sewer connection. So we're all the way out to the middle of the street. We were at about 133 feet. So this is the connection to the public city sewer, and the white stuff that you see right here, it's the new Permaliner that we have installed. You can see on the lettering that it says sewer right here at about 10 o'clock. It says sewer 4-inch. That's the size of the sewer line. So all this pipe right here was full of root intrusion before. We made a video of that as well, and this is the after all the repairs video. So now you have a smooth sewer line with no joints so far. That roots will not penetrate this Permaliner. Before we did the installation of the Permaliner, we hydrojetted all the roots out of the sewer line. This pipe was a 4-inch clay pipe, and now as you can see, you have a nice and smooth sewer where the water and waste can flow freely all the way out to the city sewer. All this pipe is at the front yard, going from the house to the middle of the street. In a few seconds, we're gonna get to a plastic pipe, and that is where the clean out was installed at the front of the garage door on the ground. So here's a turn. You can see that there's water flowing now. So right here, it's the installation of the 4-inch clean out on the ground that I was talking about. So here's a transition in size from 4-inch to a 3-inch pipe that comes from the house, which is exactly right here. So this is the other section of sewer line that we have installed a Permaliner, because the pipe was cracked at this point. It is a 3-inch cast iron pipe. Probably it's been there since they built the house. So the reason why we installed this Permaliner right here on this section of the 3-inch pipe is because when we got down to the pipe and we made nice and, or we were trying to make a nice and smooth cut, the pipe was cracked. So the installation of the Permaliner was up to this point. We're getting there up to this point right here. So from this point back into where I have accessed the sewer line on the clean out behind the master, it's still original pipe. But so far it's okay. So all this pipe, it's under the house. I'm going to show you in a little bit where we did the connection, where we relocated the washing machine drain line. Okay, so this one right here, you can see this is a 3-inch by 2-inch Y connection, and this is where the new washer machine is going to drain into the sewer line. So then it goes back to original cast iron pipe all the way out to the clean out on the back of the master bathroom. Coming out of the sewer right now. Here is the 3-inch clean out behind the master bathroom. You can see right here, this is next to the electrical panel and next to the condenser for the air conditioning. Okay, that's it for today. My name is Jose Palma with Train Buster Rooter.